Alright guys, so today we're going to check out the Spigen Classic C1 case for the AirPods 4, and right here we have the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation and also the AirPods 4 without active noise cancellation. So you'll see how this case fits on both versions of the AirPods 4. So as usual, timestamps and links to everything that I talk about in this video will be down below in the description. So if you see something that sparks your interest, then feel free to check it out. Alright, so let's get right into the unboxing, guys. So as usual, nice packaging from Spigen. I believe this should be like a retro vibe right here, so let's open it real quick. Let's take out what is inside. And that's pretty much all you get inside the box. So let's take a closer look at what you get inside of the box. Inside the box, we get the cover binder, which is nice, very premium, feels very premium. Then we get an extra adhesive tape, which is always good because what if you want to take off your case and put it back on? That's always good to have an extra adhesive tape. And then you get some instructions on how to use the adhesive tape. And that's pretty much it for that. And then after, we get the top part of the case right here. So there you have it, the top part of the case. So really nice. This is like a hard plastic, feels really good, looks really good. And then we have the bottom part of the case, the same material and everything, really hard plastic. You have the white accent around it, and then you have the green, the translucent green, which is really nice. So I think this retro vibe is inspired by the iMac G3, so that's why it looks very similar. I'm gonna put up a picture of the iMac 3G on screen so you guys can see how Spigen was inspired by the iMac 3G to design this classic looking case right here. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to set it up on the AirPods 4 case. So this is the one without active noise cancellation. Just simple slide on the bottom part like that and then put on the top part like that. I'm not going to take off the adhesive tape as yet because I'm going to put it on the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. And then for the cover binder, just simply open it like that and slide it through the loop, and then you're pretty much all set when it comes on to installing the case right there. So on the case, we get a cutout for the USB-C port, the speaker, and the speaker vent hole. We don't get any cutout for the LED indicator because this case right here is translucent, so you should be able to see the LED indicator while it's in the case. So if you open the case, you can see the LED indicator nice and easy. And let's see if we can put our AirPods 4 in pair mode while it's in the case. So if I double tap like that, let's probably close it, open, double tap. Yep, you can put it in pair mode while it's in the case. So really good there. So to take off the case, just simply puts a little bit of pressure and take off the top part like that. Obviously it's going to come off way easier because the adhesive tape is not on. And then for the bottom part, just put a little bit of pressure and slide it out like that. And there you have it. And then if you want to take off the cover binder, just slide it through the loop, open it up, take it off, and that's how you take off the case of the AirPods 4. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the top part. So before I put on the top part of the case, I want to clean off this because I'm gonna use the adhesive now. So let's clean off the top part of the case so it can stick properly.
A few moments later.
So now once that's clean, go ahead and peel off the film like that. Make sure the top front part of the case is lined up with the top front part of the case. So just put it on like that and then put a little bit of pressure for around 30 seconds or so.
A few moments later.
Alright, so after 30 seconds or so, top part of the case should be on really nice. And you can put on the bottom part like that, just slide it on. You can put on the cover binder like this, nice and easy. And that's how you install the case on the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. Now, as you guys can see, we have a cutout for the speaker vent hole, we have a cutout for the USB-C port, and we also have a cutout for the speaker. So really good cutouts right there. And as you can see, you can open it nice and easy. Really good. This is giving me a retro vibe right here. It almost looked like the iMac G3 for real. So yeah, really look good right there. If you're going for a retro vibe, I will definitely check this case out. A link will be down below in the description if you guys want to check this case out. Alright guys, so now I want to do a charging test and I'm going to use the ESR 3-in-1 charger right here. I've been using this for around 1 year now, so it's been really good to me. So I'm gonna use it. A link will be down below in the description if you guys want to grab one for yourself. So right here we have the MagSafe charger, we have the regular wireless charger, then we have the Apple Watch charger. Now out of the box, this case is not MagSafe compatible. You can only charge it wirelessly and also buy the Apple Watch charger. But let's see if with this case it's MagSafe compatible. So let's put it on. So it does charge, but let's see if it's gonna stick. So if I let go, it should stick. Nope, it did not. So you can't charge this by MagSafe. I mean, you can if you want to sit there and just hold it all the time, but it's not going to stay there by itself. So let's move on to the wireless charger, regular wireless charger. Boom, you can charge it like that, nice and easy. And then let's move on to the Apple Watch charger. So I don't think you can charge it on the Apple Watch charger, and that is because the case is a little bit too thick. I'm yet to find an AirPods 4 case that actually is compatible with the Apple Watch charger. So if you're a case company that's watching this and have a case that can charge with the Apple Watch charger, please send it my way so I can test it out. And while we're doing the charging test, let's try the regular USB-C cable. You can plug it in, nice and easy, and you can plug it out, nice and easy. When you plug it in, you don't have to worry about your case bumping in or anything like that. So it's really good there. But one thing, as I'm plugging this in and out, I kind of realized the bottom part of the case is a little bit loose. Like, it's not all the way loose, but it feels like you could slide it off kind of easy. Like if you look right there closely, you can see it's kind of loose. If you look closely, just a minor issue, guys, but that's just one thing to note. Okay guys, so now we're going to do a speaker test and also a LED indicator test. So let's see if we can hear the speaker loud and clear while it's in the case. So I'm just going to play the Find My sound. And yes, you can hear it loud and clear. And you can also see the LED indicator really good while it's in the case. Alright guys, so now I'm going to do a drop test and soft carpet. So let's drop it in 3, 2, 1, drop. So that's the drop test on soft carpet. As you can see, no worries there. Nothing came out of the case. The case didn't even open or anything like that. So no worries there when you drop it in soft carpet. Alright guys, so now we're going to do a drop test on hard tiles. So let's drop it in 3, 2, 1, drop. Wow. That wasn't even that hard, and the AirPods came out of the case. Which every time I do a drop test and the AirPods come out of the case, I just think that that's not a good case for protection, because you don't want to drop your AirPods case and then the AirPods come flying out of your case. That could go really bad in public, because your AirPods may fall out and go down a drain or something, or go down a manhole or something, or you don't want to be searching for your earpods individually out in the street or out in public. So I believe whenever you have your earpods 4 inside of a case and you drop it, you shouldn't be worrying about your earpods coming out of the case. That's just my opinion. Alright guys, so here are my final thoughts on the Spigen Classic C1 case right here. Now overall, I really love this design. It's a retro vibe. It brings you back to when the iMac G3 was around, and it just looks really retro and nostalgic, if you want to say. But I really love this case right here, and I believe you can get this case in multiple different colors. I believe you can get it in like orange, red, and other colors that the iMac G3 was in back then, but I chose the green one because I like the green color. By the way, is this even green? I know some people say this is actually blue, but to me it's green. But let me know what you think in the comment section. Is this green or is this blue to you guys? But yeah, overall it's a really good design, but when it comes to protection, I don't think that this case right here is the case for you to get if you're looking for protection. If you're looking for looks and design, definitely go with this case. And also, if you're looking to charge your earpods 4 by MagSafe or by the Apple Watch charger, then you shouldn't get this case right here, because you can't charge it by MagSafe or by the Apple Watch charger. You can only charge it with a wired charger, which is USB-C, and also regular wireless charging. So if that's fine with you, you can go ahead and get this case. As I said before, a link will be down below in the description so you guys can check out this case if you guys want to check it out. That's pretty much my final thoughts on this case right here. Really good design, not the best protection, and you can only charge it by wired and by wireless charging. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this case down below in the comment section. Like the video if this video was helpful, and also subscribe to this channel because we're almost at 5,000 subscribers and I want to get to 5,000 subscribers before the end of October. So subscribe so we can get to 5,000 subscribers. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.